Okay, so good morning. My name is Professor Green, and I'm the medical director of Greencare Medical Consultants. So, of course, as part of corporate social responsibility, we carry out yearly, outreach, giving back to the society. We know that this is school period and we know how the economy is. So, as an organization, we feel that it's important we reach out to our community. So that is what we are doing now, and we hope that this our little gesture will assist and help people. And children are going back to school. Of course, we have bought some gift items, school bags, water bottles, and other things for them. So this is just to ensure that we do our own bit to ensure that we support the society, we support the community, knowing how it is. And of course, this is a lot of parents are trying to get things for their children to get back to go back to school. So Greencare Medical Consultants, as a responsible corporate organization, is supporting the community. That is what you're seeing here basically. You can see that our mothers and fathers, our children are even very excited by this dress. We did it last year. We are doing it again. We tend to continue doing it as a yearly corporate social responsibility. And of course, not just this, we are going to do more to ensure that we also carry our people along. Thank you.